You have to look here, verify relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. You have to verify. So when you can verify the relations between the zeros and the coefficient, first of all you will find the zeros. Okay, then you will verify the relations. First relations already I explained you, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and second relation is alpha into beta equal to c by a. That we have to verify. Verify means left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So first of all we check this polynomial. Polynomial is given 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Look here, this is not given in standard format. Standard format is what is, first is x square, then x, then constant you have. So first you arrange this in standard format. So what you can write, this 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, this is the polynomial. This is polynomial px. Okay, this you have to do the middle term splitting. 6 3 ja 18 means multiply, then we want 18, and here minus means subtract, then we want 7. 9 2 ja 18, 9 and 2 we have two number, 9 minus 2. So place of 7, what you can write, 9 minus 2. Look here, 6x square, place of 7 you write 9 minus 2 x minus 3. 6x square, you open this bracket, minus 9x, minus and minus will be plus 2x and minus 3. From these two you take common. So what is common here? 3. Second common is x. So 3 2 ja 6 and 1 x is common. Remaining here, from here 3x you take common, this minus is as it is, 3 will be remaining because 3 3 ja 9. Here nothing is common means 1 you have to take, 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is you can write separate, 3x plus 1, and each one you do equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0, or you can write 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here you get 2x equal to 3. Okay, then x equal to 3 by 2. So what you get, alpha equal to 3 by 2. Now the second we have 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So you get x equal to minus 1 by 3. So beta is here minus 1 by 3. These are the zeros. These are what is zeros. Zeros we get. Now second what we have to find, coefficients you have to find. So coefficients you will not take from here. You will take coefficients from these. What are the coefficients are here? This polynomial is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. This is your polynomial. And what is coefficient is, coefficient a equal to 6. The second coefficient b equal to minus 7. Minus also you will include. Then c is minus 3. And relations, now you have to verify the relations. What are the relations are, you know already. First relation is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Second relation is alpha into beta equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta, alpha we know already, alpha is 3 by 2. Okay, and beta is what is minus 1 by 3. And minus b means here minus 7 upon a is 6. So you will check this. What is LCM is 6. You take LCM, then 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. And this is minus, plus minus is minus, 3 2 ja means here 2 you have. 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 by 6. Now you check the right hand side, minus minus plus 7 by 6, 7 by 6. So first relation is verified. First relation is verified. Second relation also you check, alpha into beta. Alpha is what is? Alpha is 3 by 2. Beta is 1 by 3. And c is, c here minus 3. A is 6. You multiply 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Look here, this is minus 1 by 3. So you minus 3 by 2 get minus 3 by 6. So this also you have verified. Okay, all of you understand this. You have to verify, you not to find. If your questions is given to find the zeros, you will do this part only. And you have to find alpha plus beta, you do this part only, means 7 by 6 you get. You have to find alpha and beta, you do this part also. Look here, here you have to verify, so you will do the whole part.